Assalamualaikum, greetings. Are you looking to create a beautiful bracelet with beads? Let's get started. 2 types of beads required for bracelet: seed beads, pearl beads. Take a beaded wire or tie a knot of lobster lock in the center. Then insert seed beads both sides. Take a 1 seed bead or cross the both sides of wire. Repeat the same process. Again, take a 1 seed bead or cross the both sides of wire. 1 seed bead, 1 pearl bead, 1 seed bead, insert in the one side of wire. Insert seed beads on the other side of wire. Insert beads in the wire, same as shown in the video. Half bracelet is ready. If you want to learn many more videos related making jewelry or resin art, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. At last, take a 1 seed bead or cross the both sides of wire. Ta-da! Results. Thank you for complete watching. Bless all of you. Bye-bye.